Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Shopify Markets for global selling step by step clearly. To register with Shopify Markets for global selling, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the settings section located at the bottom left of your screen. Click on Markets in the settings menu. If you see a prompt to set up Markets, click on it to begin the setup process. Review the overview of Shopify Markets features and then click on Get Started. You will then be presented with a screen allowing you to enable international selling. Select the regions and countries where you wish to sell your products. Once selected, click on Add Market to include those regions in your store. Next, you will need to configure each market's settings. Set up local currencies for each market by clicking on the corresponding market. Enable pricing and shipping options according to the preferences of each market. After configuring your settings, scroll down to the domain section. Choose whether you want to use your primary domain or create a new one for each market. After domain selection, click on the Save button to apply your changes. Now, it's time to set up payment methods for each market. Go to the Payments section in your Shopify settings. Make sure to add payment providers that accept transactions in your specified markets. Once your payment settings are complete, return to the Markets section. You'll want to review any additional features offered, like automatic translations or market-specific promotional tools. Confirm that all your settings are correct. Finally, click on the Activate button to launch your Shopify Markets for global selling. Your store is now ready to serve customers from multiple countries. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.